Nourish and Thrive presents the ultimate self-care routine for a happier you. Welcome back to our channel, where we believe that taking care of yourself is the ultimate key to happiness. Today, we have something truly special for you. We're going to reveal the ultimate self-care routine that will leave you feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and happier. So, grab a cozy blanket, get ready to unwind, and let's dive right in. Picture this: you've had a long, exhausting day, and you feel like you're running on empty. But fear not. We're here to guide you through the ultimate self-care routine that will help you replenish your energy, nourish your soul, and achieve that much-needed inner balance. We all know how important it is to take care of ourselves. But in the hustle and bustle of everyday life, we often neglect our well-being. That's why we've designed this routine specifically for you, because you deserve to prioritize yourself and feel truly happy. Imagine waking up each morning with a renewed sense of purpose, a spring in your step, and a smile on your face. This self-care routine will help you create a daily ritual that not only nourishes your body and mind but also uplifts your spirit. Trust me, once you experience the transformation it brings, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of this ultimate self-care routine. We've divided it into 5 simple steps that you can easily incorporate into your daily life. Are you ready to embark on this journey towards a happier you? Let's go. Step 1. Morning mindfulness. We'll start our day right with some mindful practices that will set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Morning mindfulness, a practice that involves bringing awareness and intention to the present moment upon waking up. It allows us to start our day with clarity, focus, and a sense of calm. By engaging in simple activities such as deep breathing, meditation, or gentle stretching, we cultivate a state of mindfulness that carries throughout the day. It helps us tune into our thoughts, emotions, and sensations, promoting self-awareness and reducing stress. Morning mindfulness fosters a positive mindset, enhances productivity, and improves overall well-being. By dedicating a few moments each morning to mindfulness, we set the tone for a peaceful and centered day ahead. Step 2. Nourishing nutrition. Next up, we'll explore the power of nourishing nutrition. Nourishing nutrition refers to the practice of consuming foods that provide optimal nourishment and support for the body's well-being. It involves making conscious choices to prioritize nutrient-dense whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats while minimizing processed and sugary foods. Nourishing nutrition recognizes the importance of balance and variety, ensuring a wide range of essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals are included in our diets. This approach promotes energy, vitality, and overall health. By paying attention to our nutritional needs and adopting mindful eating habits, we can support our bodies at their best and maintain long-term well-being. Step 3. Movement and exercise. Movement and exercise are crucial components of a healthy lifestyle. They involve engaging in physical activities that promote strength, flexibility, endurance, and overall well-being. Regular movement and exercise offer numerous benefits, including improved cardiovascular health, increased energy levels, enhanced mood, and reduced risk of chronic diseases. Whether through structured workouts, such as jogging, weightlifting, or yoga, or through daily activities like walking or gardening, movement and exercise help maintain a healthy weight, improve muscle tone, and support bone density. It is important to find activities that are enjoyable and sustainable, making it easier to incorporate movement and exercise into our daily routines. Step 4. Pampering self-care. Pampering self-care refers to indulging in activities that nurture and replenish our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. It involves taking intentional time to prioritize self-care practices that promote relaxation, rejuvenation, and self-love. Pampering self-care can include activities like taking a luxurious bath, practicing skincare rituals, getting a massage or spa treatment, engaging in hobbies or creative pursuits, or simply dedicating time for rest. It is a way to counterbalance the stresses of daily life and show ourselves compassion and kindness. By prioritizing pampering self-care, we enhance our overall well-being and cultivate a positive relationship with ourselves. Step 5. Restful sleep. Lastly, we'll focus on the importance of a good night's sleep. Restful sleep is a vital aspect of our overall well-being. It refers to a state of deep and rejuvenating slumber that allows our bodies and minds to heal and recharge. During restful sleep, our bodies repair tissues, consolidate memories, regulate hormones, and boost immune function. It is characterized by a sufficient duration of uninterrupted sleep, usually around 7 to 9 hours for adults, and a high quality of sleep without frequent awakenings. Establishing a consistent sleep routine, creating a comfortable sleep environment, and practicing relaxation techniques can promote restful sleep. Adequate restful sleep is essential for maintaining optimal cognitive function, emotional balance, and physical health. There you have it, the ultimate self-care routine that will transform your life and make you a happier you. Remember, self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Take the time to nurture yourself and watch how it positively impacts every aspect of your life. So, are you excited to embark on this self-care journey? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss out on our empowering videos. Until next time, take care and be kind to yourself. You deserve it.